student. In last lecture, we were discussing about the multiplication of integers, and today we will discuss about the next topic, that is division of integers. Division of integers. Division of integers. Now, suppose look here. We are trying to make you aware some basic terms. 72 divided by 8, we get 9. We get 9. It means when 72 is divided by 8, we get 9 as the answer. This means that 72 is being divided from 8, and we are getting answer 9. 8 9 is 72. And the number which is being divided are called dividend. जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिविडेंड. एंड द नंबर विच इज डिवाइडिंग इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर. जो नंबर उसको डिवाइड कर रहा है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? डिवाइजर. और जो आंसर मुझे मिलता है लास्ट में, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वोशिएंट. दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वोशिएंट. I think these are the basic terms. You already know that. You have already learned in the class 7. This is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient. Okay. Now here dividend is positive, divisor is also positive, so our answer is also positive. Now we have some rules regarding this. If divisor, here we are writing dividend into divisor. Question. It is a divisor and quotient. We make 3 column. Multiply. If dividend is positive, divisor is also positive, then we will get the quotient positive. Look here, example. For 72 is positive, 8 is positive, our answer is 9, that is positive also. Second point, if dividend is positive, divisor is negative, our answer will be negative. Okay. Suppose 72 is being divided by -8, our answer will be -9, because divisor is negative. If dividend is positive, divisor is negative, our answer will be negative. Third, if dividend is negative, divisor is positive, again answer will be negative. It means when 72 is divided by 8, we will get +9. We will get -9. We will get -9. If dividend is negative, divisor is positive, quotient will be negative. It is quotient. And the last one is when dividend is negative, divisor is negative, answer will be positive. Okay. -72 is being divided by -8, answer will be +9. These are some rules you have to remember in your mind while solving all the questions of multiplication and division. So you can make in conclusion that these are the rules regarding division. Multiplication, the rules of division and multiplication are same. Okay. Now we will discuss some example. We will discuss, you should note it in your note copy and remember in your mind. Now we will see some example so that our concept may get clear. Find first question. Find -20 is divided by 4. What we are looking here, dividend is negative, but divisor is positive. So our answer will be negative. If either of the dividend or divisor is negative, our answer will be negative. If both the dividend and divisor both are say negative or positive, our answer will be positive. So what is the answer? When 20 is divided by 4, we get 5 as question. Dividend is negative, so our answer is negative. Next question. 0 is divided by minus 832. What would be the answer? When 0 is divided by minus 82, minus 802, it is 0. 0 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं इससे. जब कोई नंबर है ही नहीं किसी हम डिवाइड कर ही सकते हैं, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. Third one, minus 56 is divided by minus 1. Here, dividend as well as divisor both are negative. Dividend and divisor both are negative. Our answer will be positive. 56 को डिवाइड करें 1 से, तो वही आएगा, वही नंबर आएगा 56. किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं वही नंबर आता है. Fourth one is minus 4 lakh is being divided by minus 800. Here also both dividend and divisor are negative. Our answer will be positive. तो लोग लिखते नहीं पॉजिटिव को, वो अंडरस्टूड है पहले से पॉजिटिव ही होगा. ठीक है, यहाँ कितना आंसर आएगा? It is 500. It is 500. Next question. 18 plus minus 8 divided by minus 20. First we will solve the expression present in the bracket. Minus 18 plus minus minus 18 minus 18 0, 0 divided by minus 20 0. When dividend is 0, our answer will be 0. Next example, question number 6. Minus 155 plus minus 100 divided by minus 300 plus 45 plus 45. Can you solve this? Pause the video and try to solve this. We can solve 155 minus 155. First we will open this bracket. Plus minus become minus 100. Different sign, negative, positive, different sign. पढ़ चुके लास्ट क्लास में. different sign subtraction करें, क्या करेंगे? subtraction करेंगे, छोटे नंबर को subtract कर देंगे बड़े नंबर से. subtract 5 or 2, but the number is, this number is greater, so sign will be minus 255. Okay, same sign ऐड करते हैं 255, और जब ऐड करेंगे साइन क्या रहेगा? कॉमन साइन. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव तो ये नेगेटिव. सेम नंबर minus 255 divided by minus 255, we will get answer 1. Because why it is plus 1? Because dividend and divisor both are positive, both are negative. Our answer will be positive, plus 1. Next question. Question number 7. 90 divided by minus 5 divided by minus 81 divided by minus 9. Now solve this question. I am trying to solve this. 90. Look here. 90 is dividend and minus 5 is divisor. So our answer will be negative. Okay. Negative. So 5 and 5, 18, 5 and 90. When we divide 90 by minus 5, we will get minus 18 divided by, in this expression, dividend is negative, divisor is also negative. When minus 81 is divided by minus 9, we will get plus 9. Plus 9. Now, here dividend is minus 18 and divisor is 9, so answer will be negative. When 18 is divided by 9, we get 2 as question. So minus 2 is my answer. Next question. Question number next. Question number 8. 7 number तक कर चुके हैं. 8 नंबर देखो. 8 नंबर में क्या क्वेश्चन है? 8 में क्वेश्चन है 400 multiplied with minus 20 divided by minus 250 into minus 8. there are two expressions. This one is the first expression, this is the second expression. You have to divide the first expression from the second expression. Now first you solve this. You have to multiply two numbers in which one is positive and another is negative. The answer will be negative. Minus 8,000. 4 to the 8 and put 30. Here two numbers, both are negative. Answer will be positive. 250 into 8. 250 into 8. 2000. 2000. Here dividend is negative, divisor is positive. Answer will be negative. When 8,000 is divided by 2,000. Cancel, cancel, cancel. 4. Then our answer is minus 4. Okay. Now, ninth number, minus 30 minus 18 divided by 19 plus minus 13. Again, same question. We will solve this expression first. Minus 30 minus plus 18 divided by 19 plus minus 13. Minus 30 plus 18, different sign. So we will do subtract here. When 30 is subtracted by from 18, we will get 12 and minus 12 because 30 is greater than 18. Minus 12. 19 minus 6, that is 6. Minus 2 because dividend is negative. Answer is minus 2. And the last question, that is 10th number. All these questions are from your exercise. I am solving some question and remaining question will be your homework. You can solve it in your notebook. I have taken the toughest question from your book and try to solve here. Look here, we have to multiply two numbers. We have to divide two numbers. One is negative and one is positive. Minus 48 is negative. This one is positive. Dividend is negative. Divisor is positive. So our answer will be minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3. Answer will be minus 1. So I have done a lot of questions and your homework will be all remaining questions. All remaining question of your exercise. I think all question will be done by you very easily. I explain every questions almost. Now in the next lecture we will do the next topic, that is some properties of integers. Today that's all for today. Thank you.